They got one in Evansville, like a simulator shop. We're going to go try that out.
Okay. Yeah, I can see him spraying from over there.
Dude, tell me that ain't cool right there. That's pretty cool. That's what I told him, like, I wanna get in there and get like a barrel roll. Yeah.
That way it makes it feel the claw a little more.
I'm gonna stay high for now. Get my bearings.
What is your field of view?
I can see the left tire. I can see a little bit past the hood scoop thing in the middle. Like I see about what it would be like on a real car.
Let's stop on the back stretch for me, guys. I need my turn markers from the last race. That was Baron and Fred. Alright, guys, let me get Daniel through, please. Just Daniel. And just Nick. Time, Nick. Alright, let me get Chaz through, please. Just Chaz. Guys, Chaz here has got VR goggles on. He is racing you with VR goggles on. He is in the driver's seat of that thing right now. Let me get just Terry through, please. Terry only. And just Derek. And then Nick will follow. Alright guys, we'll turn you some laps, run that water in a little bit. And get them rolling here in just a sec. Back strip, back strip, back strip. Alright. If y'all let Chaz whip you with VR goggles on, man, ain't gonna happen.
No pressure behind you.
Although y'all might be able to get some man. Here we go, guys. We're about to go green. Green, green, green.
No pressure behind you.
Oh, my bad.
That's good. That's
Oh,
good. Turn 3.
I'm broke.
You got two tangled up.
Oh,
Good.
I didn't even know I was tangled with somebody.
30 seconds in. It's Daniel, Terry, Nick, Derek, and Chaz. I think Derek and Chaz got tangled up over there on the back stretch. Nick out to the front. Nick, Daniel, Terry, Derek, and Chaz. Nick holds it down to the Railside Traxxas out there. Daniel now up to the front. Nick falls back to the 2. Terry's still holding down the 3. Almost a minute down, minute to go. 13.5 Mudball, heat number 1. You're up next if you're in the heat 1 of 13.5 Mudball. You're making your way up towards the track.
Back check. Clear.
Nick back up to the front, Daniel down to the 2. Terry still holding on to 3. Chaz moves up to the 4. Derek sitting in the 5.
Keep that pace right there. Turn one.
Woo, turn 2. All 2.
No pressure.
Nick, Daniel, Terry, Chaz, Derek. Front stretch. All 2.
No pressure behind you.
12 seconds to go. Keep going till I tell you you're done. Dan still holding on to TQ pace right now at 21.205.
That's it, baby. That's it right there.
Nick, you're done. Chaz, you're done.
Chad, finish second.
Terry, you're done. Daniel, you're done. Terry, you're done. Okay, ready? That ends Nick, Daniel, Terry, Chaz.
Oh, I got
and
4th.
Derek. 13.5 up lap. Chaz, Craig,
Oh.
Joey, Drew.